It's here for me mamuni akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So Delta Force. Any name said Delta Force a pro MPP vigilante group. Omo your group by Becca say womo ye juma Emma MPP any MPP4 impinyophobia. Now Delta Force for impinyophobia in some betuja how they've been neglected. Answer the better and subscribe and click the notification bell no and no any doubt screen so we are the latest news be about once Ebeka. Delta Force for our Kumase Ashanti region. And then some betuja. Now, may read this statement from their chairman, the Ashanti regional chairman of Delta Force. May read the statement at show. Now we who their air coso. There one more can tintin in the theater and say, one more boy Emma MPP eba abaimu. Now MPP eba abaimu no. As a MPP and neglect you more. Now, because MPP and neglect you more, because as a MPP a show more. And yet MPP as a party and they share Delta Force for ball. But some big people in MPP are Womokasa said be Edimu, I will be best here say Womokasa. I bet to me after say Womokasa ama MPP. Womo and a Womos yes, uncle for way and a show mobile. And a bona Womo show no woman diso and then Womotifie air bread. Now, Omabubo Kennedy Japan, Omabubo chairman wound to me, Omas answer about the mayor of a year Kumase, I friend honorable or say ACB, Omabo Wonunsu Ding. Now, some more can say, we share proud to the 2016 elections, and after the elections, some of these people, some of the key MPP people, no, you could be your margin, say, Womobe Dio Mobone, the second Kennedy Japan, only wound to me, no. A son says, send me a Womokasa, ever radio soon, you know. Nkofo bi plot yes said won be di omuewu na wo mo yes on be di omuewu no Delta Force for ya na tese beje these MPP people ema MPP mpenyufo we ehye wo mo bo se wo mo win elections dia wo mo pe bia no ye be ye amomo na wo mo say 3 years on after wo mo win elections no hwim wo mo tin nkofo we nka wo mo try some be reach out adabi na nda me ne o ka se ka mo nim se at the parliament say ye cancel all the vigilante groups. Now to say ejuma wo mo ye ka no MPP aba mu amasisi and vigilante groups can dey aye ye tu egu. Into mo dey abreho aba bonten ebesun atre Ghana for say Ghana for enka bi emo mo tie for mo dey mo tre mo ajo comment box ni mo na me dey nim say o de ho besi wo say o de ko protect obi na ende ye be yi wa ma wo say ye nke bi ma. Em say emda wo protecting crofo na wo bobo crofo ni na no wan ga Ghana for nke bi ma o ati ase I don't understand why the youth ebi mo be yo ma je say wo mo de chese anyway let's go into the matter now according to the chairman of the group no there wasi wo no areho ene eyaw ena wo mudi na wo hwe chairman of a year Delta Force ba bonten den sem abetuja ese wo say asem no anyway, but also say one more kai. So what I think last year, when we could do Nyambran Sembi, Emma, aban ebeji womo na e wose ye chi omutum aban beji omo em say MPP na na bi kra e quarter chese oni omu ko twa pictures ni nyama aban beji omo so if for nothing at all kana e say womo so Delta Force for womo kai say womo ko di Nyambran Sembi na nka e wose ye chi omutum no aban e ba beji omo na san Nyambran Sembi bi sa me say den ya de womo ye ne say womo ko court eko sake judge eko bu nkrofo wo court na tese court mo ko ho eko bu nkrofo wo ho but aban beji omo because aban ekai se be mu ye bi ema wo mo ama case no ye de mo call court bi no aban be discontinue case no NDC for sorry tia aban said de mo ye na nye but still aban went on inti me no say aban ye we ama we you don't expect say still they will be doing some things for you because who could Nyambran Sembi abejo afi dem bi na ope but yan ko nsem ni mu wo mo chairman no your friend no Frank Asante wono na wode assembly abetuja na me read verbatim asema wode tuja me quoting was say while campaigning in opposition Honorable Kennedy Japan Chairman Wontumi and the KMA boss or say ACB made big promises to us and urged us to work hard for the party with our strength, and that once we come to power, our efforts will be rewarded by giving us anything we request for. They all can, and they say, Embra company proud to 2016 elections. No, Kennedy Japan Chairman Wontumi and our KMA and the KMA boss was say ACB and making promises almost show more akesiye say woman form a honde enter party nechi woman form a honde enter party nechi pana omo asebe woman dey to trust them say yes say woman form a honde enter party nechi it tells you what they are expecting from them omo so woman form a honde enter party nechi na woman boa na party no eba eye power sometimes say na enya nto aba wo say omo dey omo honde enter party nechi na party na etumi ba power dey woman be ye ene say die womo data force for no womo pay bia no womo party for no ebeye amomo it was say ebo na Kennedy Japan chairman mutumi e na oseye sibe honorable oseye sibe ebo a womo share womo no eni e na what to try say but after we told for this party to come to power, these big men have failed us. Not even a single word has been told to us, the members of the defunct Delta Force group. We say womo bae after 3 years ni womo failure omo tresa ensama womo kan e bosha womo de ka kire yen say womo beye we ama ni na womo nye ba kompo ye 3 years after ye boa ye ema womo win elections no womo nye ba kompo ye na omo ya omo members nso womo di ahreho e wo fie na we say we remain at home jobless na tresa womo wo fie asabi womo ni ejuma bia ye. Our overall leaders are not having jobs. Me as the chairman has no job since the party came to power. Was it woman penny for kra womu ni ejuma? Wo no chairman kra wo ni ejuma, president kra wo ni ejuma. Na show say ekuo ewo ho na ekuo ne president ya hyemobo say mo benye ejuma na ende wo ma ba power sabi ye ma mu ejuma. Na sabi wa wo sha ase president ne chairman ne secretary of ekuo ni kra ye mo ejuma na sabi wa wo ya common floor member of the Delta Force na kede na wo be ye because say to trust them the ba president ne chairman wo mo nko grounds ni so e Delta Force wo mo president ni wo mo chairman ni executives no wo mo nko grounds ni so e common floor members na ekoyi ejuma no but ejuma ne de e ba ye de befa president no ene executives ne so inti the chairman no aba abontin a wo beka and as a president ne chairman any executives ne kra ye mo ejuma ye na wo common floor member now what the chairman say our boys know that once we the leaders have jobs to do they will also be employed but we have not but we have been used and dumped by our leaders and it is so painful was so wo call and claim say wo mo mpanyimfo no wo mo nya ejuma ye dia bibia to etwa so mpanyimfo ne nya ye ejuma ye dia bibia to etwa because mpanyimfo de wo mo dwen wo mo nkola ne ho nti president ne chairman ne executive no mo nya ejuma wo mo nim se nkola ne de ye be piempia wo mo ahyem but mpanyimfo yi wo mo nya ejuma ye mo ejuma enye ye na it is very painful say omo leaders eye MPP for eye omo say eno ene nsema eye Delta Force for ede abeto abonten na etie for woman de Kasapa FM for ene kasae Kasapa FM journalist aye fe no obesima sewa akoto ena woman no ekasae a woman de nsem we etudwa na ye de enim say the Delta Force group no they have been disbanded as a sign of respect by the core of President Akufo-Addo ye enim say ayawa so west work on nsem sisi ye no ena eba say vigilante groups yi ye disbanded omo enne ye tre say ya disbanded omo a yeah, the list now and a list of the vigilante groups are disbanded or mono Delta Force eka atias here inti and no any sema womo de abeto abonte. Now let me just tell you what will happen. I'm not a prophet but meka asema ABC next year we are voting. Next year you right here anymore campaigning process will start. Now let me just tell you this, say me giga kan menya prophet but me boy asem so na for we need to form na say ensia. What will happen next year? They say in painful we are a share Delta Force for a bono. Dear woman by any say, one more Edaka who Delta Force for an embra campaign in their coso. Omeka who Delta Force in penny for now. Woma pescal momo, no more trouble say, oh, wait there, yes, remo, say, they see. Now, a son say, this guy, I'm mad Delta Force in penny for into Omeka say, oh, penny for no master son, Omati, I say. Omo begis kan na tell say wo masan so aye ejuma ama eye MPP pinifo no if MPP wins they will neglect them again no masan so ababonten abekasa biom na o de Ghana de ati esia obeka say me a prophet but this is the country we live in. Montre ma bi comment box to mo me da say